Okay, what's going on, guys? It's VP Roofing here. We're going to be doing a repairability attempt, and we're going to be pulling the shingle, sending it out to ITEL to see whether it's discontinued or if there's a match. For now, we're going to be using this shingle right here, but once the ITEL comes back, I could exchange it out and do a comparison video as well. I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible not to damage any shingles above or below or around. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible. I'm going to be trying to take off the tar strip or the adhesive. You can just touch, it's glued down, which makes it kind of hard to not damage it. Okay, go. Okay, this is the shingle. We're going to be sending it out to ITEL. Let's take out all the nails. So we're able to slide the shingle in. So far so good, no creases. Let's get deep in there. Okay, we should be good to put the shingle in. Let me adjust my headset real quick. I want to make sure it's recording everything. Okay, it's pretty hot outside. I should have wore some knee pads because my knees is burning. We'll thug it out though. Okay, let's see. Put on the keyway. On the keyway. Now let's put 6 or 7 nails. What I'm going to be doing is lifting this shingle up without causing any creases, trying to nail it down. That's a batch nail right there. You can see how I'm causing a crease right here, lifting this up, trying to nail this one in, as you can see, or right here as well. I'm causing further damage, as you can see. Right here is going to be more tricky. Let's take this out. You can see another crease right here. Although I'm not causing any damage, I am causing creases, which does damage the shingle. You can see right here as well. Look, lifting this up, crease. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put one more right here. You can see the crease I caused lifting this up. Yeah, I would say this roof is not repairable. because you can just see the creases. If I were to repair this one as well, I'm gonna cause creasing right here as well, creating a domino effect. So not repairable.